The n plus select problem in Hibernate is a performance issue that occurs when Hibernate executes one query to load the parent entity n and then one additional query for each associated child entity plus one per row. This leads to a large number of SQL queries, slow response times, and unnecessary database load. In our Java example, we have user entity that has a list of orders. Because of fetch.lazy, querying all users trigger additional requests to the database to get orders for each user. Now let me show you an example in code. Let's assume we have a user entity with one-to-many relationship between two entities where parent entity is associated with multiple child entities. It tells the ORM how objects are related and how that relationship maps to database tables. Map by user means that user fields own the relationship. We have set fetch.lazy to prevent loading until values are accessed. It prevents loading the huge collections of accidentally. Now we want to get all users by using JPA repository. This triggers only one query, select. Everything is fine until we want to get the order list. Because it's lazy loaded, it will trigger additional requests to order table and then we can get size of each list. This is how it looks behind the scene. To solve this problem, the most common solution is to write custom JPQL query. You can achieve it by assigning to the desired method addQuery annotation and use joint fetch to load associations in a single query. With this approach, you can be sure to have all the data you need in a single query. Remember to use distinct if duplicates appear. Another way is to use entity graph annotation. Entity graphs allows you to specify fetch plans without changing queries. This tells Hibernate to eagerly fetch orders for this query only. Last alternative option besides writing custom SQL query is to specify batch size. This annotation will group lazy loads into fewer queries. You can specify numbers of users you want to prefetch additionally when getting the whole list. That will be all about n+1 problem. Subscribe for more videos like this one.